Hey guys, welcome back to another video on just being Ray around the home. If you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down below and join the gang on me and all my home updates and things that I do around the home. In this video today, I am going to be painting the dining room and the living room from this off creamish oranges color, whatever they call it, beige color, to a gray. So it's a pretty quick video, just speed through on me updating these two rooms and making changes to them both. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. If you like videos like this, stay in the loop with us. Hit the subscribe button. The finished product for the dining room. Okay, here I am moving on to the living room, adding some plastic down so it doesn't mess up my new floors. And don't forget to check us out on Instagram at Raise and Rage Tribe on Instagram. Now, I thought about it before I start painting. I had to go put on a shirt, because you know when you're painting up and down those walls and the paint kind of splatters back on you, I did not want to get that all over me or my dress, so I had to go put on a new shirt. but I'm working on the living room, and I'm changing the living room walls from white, which I had previously done before, and making them uniform to the living room and the dining room. I mean the hallway and the dining room. So everything will be the same color. The hallway, the dining room, the living room, and the basement. As usual, where there is paint, there is Kai. He never fails. He always gets paint on him. Now this here next is my accent wall. My orange accent wall. I am taking it out and also making it gray. So watch the orange wall disappear. If you have made it to this point in the video, thank you for watching. Give this video a like, hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit that notification bell so you know when I am uploading new videos. And here is the final reveal of the living room.